All right, today we're going to learn the wipe method. So what you do, that's basically, you see these black lines in here. These are cut into the model. You can kind of feel it a little bit. The wipe method is an easy way to get dark paint, or I guess it could be a lighter color, but anyway, to get one color while keeping something else a different color without having to painstakingly do it by hand or do it with a wash. So I just started doing this here on this other shield drone. And let me show you guys how it's done. So we're going to get the toothpick here, grab a little bit of paint. And we're just going to put it nice and gently in the trench. Notice we're not going to lay too much paint because we don't want it to dry. We're going to put our finger flush on the piece and just pull. Pushing somewhat firmly. If you notice, it leaves behind the paint in the trench, but all the paint up on the surface comes off on my fingers. The only downside here, specifically because this piece is white, is that you can see the smudge marks. So it'll require a brush touch-up before being finished. But this is a nice, easy way to fill out lines on models like this. I mean, Tau models are notorious for having these little lines on here. I know Eldar models also do this. Alternatively, you can do it with washes, but sometimes I like doing it with raw paint because it's more high contrast. And besides, regardless, you'd still have to go back and touch up afterwards, because the wash will just leave a stain on the outside, at least this. Comes out fairly clean. So that's it. That's the wipe method. Let's do it one more time here to finish it out.